All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, March 31st, 2018. Been a crazy week in the market. Bitcoin trading under $7,000. When will the madness end, guys? I personally think it could go down even further, but we will see. There are really no strong catalysts to pull us out. So today, total market cap is still sitting at $266 billion. So we are actually down. We are down. Let's see how much exactly. We're down almost $100 billion. Yeah, I mean, last Monday at the high, actually the high was, we were sitting at 343 billion. And a week later, we're down almost $100 billion. 24-hour volume is going down. Bitcoin dominance, I saw yesterday at 45.7%. So it's a it's interesting times, guys. And that's the thing, is that this market, this space, it's really going to test your patience. It's really going to test your will. It's really going to test your emotions, because it is a brand new market with high volatility due to high liquidity and low market cap. So, anything can happen. But for me, the fundamentals have never been stronger, and they just continue to get stronger and stronger. And they're going to continue to get stronger and stronger as more and more of these companies like EOS start actually launching their main nets and start actually creating functional products that are changing the world, rather than us just betting on these white papers, betting on these ideas. Guys, it is going to absolutely explode. This market is going to explode. And, in all of my videos, my intention is to try to help educate you on cryptocurrencies, and also how to survive and thrive in this market. Because if you are not emotionally prepared for the ups and downs, and you do not know how to play the ups and downs, you're going to get wiped out. Because this is the craziest game I have ever played in my entire life. And I know that goes for a lot of other people. So Bitcoin, we're just hovering above that $7,000 price. Ethereum has just taken a beating these past couple weeks. Up 5.4% today. The Ripple, staying pretty flat. Bitcoin Cash, $690. Litecoin, Litecoin it's really trying to make a recovery. They had some really just tough news this past week with Charlie Lee and the members at Litecoin and the Litecoin Foundation, stating that they were just a little bit too excited and ambitious to release LitePay, and they closed down that project. EOS just continues to shine out of the top 50. It is hands down the number one coin right now. It's my number one pick of the year. It has been since it launched back last year. I can see EOS is going to become number one within the next 6 months. I could see it becoming number one. Do your research. I'm going to, in fact, right now, because I think that it is I'm not trying to shill anything, but if I'm passionate about something, that's why I make this channel. I want to share it with people, because it is just absolutely incredible. And this guy right here, Dallas Rushing, this guy, his videos are very to the point. They're quick. They're awesome videos. He talks a lot about EOS. I have learned a tremendous amount as a result of watching his videos. So definitely big props. Go check out his channel. Research EOS. This is third generation blockchain technology. This technology right here, I could see this thing knocking Bitcoin off of its throne in the next 6 months. So do some research. They got some really exciting things that are coming out. Their mainnet's launching June 1st. I don't want to digress. I just got excited about it. But anyways, guys, we're still far, far down even from, just a couple weeks ago. Some of these coins have corrected, 20% in the past 2 weeks. So phenomenal buying opportunity, and also an opportunity for you to practice your patience, because this is an emotional ride, guys. And I'm right here with you every single day. In the trenches. I love this website, though. If you haven't checked it out yet, though, ATH, which stands for alltimehighcoinindex.com. Still, look at these, 64%, 65% down from its all-time high. Bitcoin, Ethereum, 71% down, 86. Look at this, guys. I'm going to mention this every video. This is instant profit. Instant profit. When and should, because nothing is guaranteed, and I'm certainly not here to give you financial advice. I'm just here to share with you this awesome website and to try to speak logically, okay? Because logically, if it's down 86% from its all-time high, and it does reach its all-time high, so number one, are the fundamentals strong? And I personally believe with Ripple, a lot of evangelists are going to probably shun me, troll me, or do whatever you're going to do. But fundamentals are very strong in many of these coins in the top 50. Many of them have strong fundamentals, okay? And as soon as we start getting some more adoption, we start getting some more catalysts in the news that drive new investors and even old investors into the marketplace, I could easily see Ripple hitting its all-time high. I could see it surpassing its all-time high even in the next 90 days, okay? Because if we go back to here and we look at this market cap, okay, let's 1 year. From November 11th, 2017 to the high on January 7th, the total market cap rose $600 billion. That's $300 billion per month. Now, who's to say that it couldn't raise $600 billion in 1 month? In 1 month. So as quickly as things can go up, we can see that they come down. It's taken quite a bit longer to go down as it did go up, and many opportunities on the way down to capitalize. Okay? But as quickly as it can go up, it can go down, and it can go back up again. Because remember, guys, since November 11th, how many millions of new Coinbase accounts have been started? How many brand new Robinhood accounts have been started? How many new Binance, Bittrex, Bitfinex, all these different accounts have been started around the world? We're just waiting for some money to come in. And I've been thinking about this a lot because this market actually absolutely consumes me, is that for most of the world, we just got out of the biggest consumer season of the year, holiday season. Everybody's spending their money. Everybody's racking up their credit cards. In fact, a lot of people max out their credit cards buying cryptocurrency. But for the first quarter, I believe, of the new year, people don't have money. People are recovering and recuperating from all of the spending from that holiday season. From about, I mean, in America, people start shopping and getting ready for Christmas in July, biggest consumer base on the planet, biggest debtor nation on the planet. But right now they don't have any money. The average American before didn't even have $1,000 in cash. And that's scary. And so right now, nobody has any money to invest into crypto. In fact, they've all pulled their crypto out either at a profit or a loss to pay their bills. And so this is happening around the world. And so what we're looking for is our catalysts that are going to take us to the next level. And that's really, for me, opening the doors for ETFs and more traditional investment companies and organizations to get into this space. And once that happens, then people will find the money to get in. I think just right now, we've got a lot of fear. We've got a lot of doubt. We've got a lot of pessimism towards this space. But once we start, and I just did a presentation on this. I don't think I have it pulled up anymore. But we're going through the psychological cycle of the market. I mean, I can see over the past 3 weeks, we've gone through capitulation, we've gone through despondency, and we've gone through depression. And for me, I'm feeling more hope now that, the regulation FUD around the world, whether it be Asia, whether it be America, whatever, we're seeing those. They were just paper tigers. They were much bigger than we were afraid they were going to be. We're seeing, companies like Binance moving out of Japan. We're finding that no matter what punch, no matter what the opposition throws at this market, we overcome. And we always move up to higher highs. And so I think that higher highs are just right around the corner, guys. And right now you have an incredible opportunity to scoop up these coins at absolutely rock bottom prices. Okay, it could go down more. I don't know. This is an investment advice. Do your research. Okay, but let's do a little bit of technical analysis. Okay, for me, I've just learned so much. My charting, my trading, everything has just gone to a whole nother level. Census correction, because everything is here to teach us lessons, and charting is just super easy, in my opinion. The trends, it's energy. Energy is either going up or energy is going down. It's like breathing. Okay, you're either breathing up and energizing, breathing down and discharging. Okay. And so that's the same with this market. And so right now, I think we're still in a downward trend until I can see positive reinforcement that we are not. And to my good friend and brother, Pete Lowry, we're going down until we're not. And so on the daily, for me, Bitcoin, I think it could still go down farther. In fact, I'm really hoping that it does so I can buy some more. Okay. This is the only coin that I found in the top 50 that's really in a very clear upward trend. Okay, it just like every other coin, it was not immune, and so we've corrected, but we can see a clear run up. We're getting very close to the mainnet launching. A lot of really good information is being spread on the internet about EOS, and so, to me, this is going to be an absolutely incredible project when it's launched, when we see what is able to be created on this. I think the smartest minds in crypto are on the EOS team. Okay. ADA, it's flat, in my opinion, still in a downward trend until there's clear signs that we're in an upward trend. So I wouldn't buy any ADA at these prices, because I think it could go down more. You never know. If Bitcoin goes down more, if Bitcoin starts trading under 6,500, 6,000, we're definitely going to see more of a correction. Litecoin trading very flat, and it's still above its 200 days. So there's still some room to correct to test that 200-day support. And like every other, I shouldn't say every, but many of the other coins are below their 200-day. That chart doesn't even show XRP. I shouldn't say. That's why it didn't say every. It's because this one, it's really finding support at the 200-day. But Ripple, same thing, super flat. I'm looking and hoping. I'm actually hoping that these Satoshi values go down. And that's the next thing I really want you guys to talk. I really want to talk to you guys about, because because it's very, very important. And it's a big mindset switch that if you can switch your mindset, that really the dollar value, it will have a very, very weak hold on you mentally and emotionally. Okay, there are two different values, okay, that these coins are valued by. And the first is the dollar value. Okay, we see right here the market cap is valued in dollars. Everything is in dollars. Okay, and so right now what we've seen over the past few months is we've seen dollars flowing out of the market. And when dollars flow out of the market, every coin is affected. The dollar value of every coin goes down when dollars leave the ecosystem, because all the Satoshis are valued in dollars. Okay, but the other value which is the much more important, in my opinion, is the Satoshi value. Okay, and if you don't understand, and I didn't for probably the first year in this space, my mind wasn't able to grasp the concept of the Satoshi. Okay, the Satoshi is the unit, the divisible units that make up all cryptocurrency. So for me, it's not so much the value of the Bitcoin, it's just the Satoshi's been created, and the Satoshi is really the standard, the standard by which every cryptocurrency is valued by. So if we look at EOS has two values. The first value is the dollar value. It's $6.01 for one EOS coin or token. Okay, and then you have the BTC value, or the Satoshi value. Okay, and the Satoshi value of an EOS token is 85,414 Satoshi. Okay, and so here's the Satoshi chart. And right now we peaked the other day at 89,539 Satoshi. Okay, and so for me, if we look at both of these charts, the dollar value in green and the Satoshi value in orange, we can actually see that there's a flip has happened. A flip has happened where we're actually gaining Satoshi, but we're losing dollar value. Okay, and that's a very, very interesting kind of mind flip that you have to make. Because for me, I don't care about dollars. If you've watched enough of my channel, especially my earlier videos, I'm very against the dollar. I don't like dollar. I don't like central banks. I don't like the government. I don't like people telling me what to do, what to put in my body. I don't like any of that. I believe in anarchy. I believe in total freedom. And if you don't understand anarchy, it simply means to not have anybody ruling over you. It means we don't enslave each other or anything like that. I just believe in total unbridled freedom for everybody. As long as you're not encumbering on somebody else's rights or taking from them in any way, shape, or form, or harming them in any way, shape, or form, I don't care what anybody does. That's just my rant. So for me, it's all about the Satoshis. I can tell you with absolute certainty the dollars are going to flow back into cryptocurrency, but in the meantime, it's all about Satoshi. How can you get more Satoshi? Okay, so whether it is investing your fiat into cryptocurrency, or if you're a trader or a swing trader or investor, okay, when you see coins that are actually going up, and this is where you got to do your research, guys, okay, is I'm looking for coins right now that are raising in Satoshi value, not dollar value. I don't really care about the dollars. Okay, I think long term, as the dollar continues to devalue, there's going to be such an influx of dollars that, I mean, $1 billion is not going to be worth very much soon, guys. That's my biggest bet. And so right now, I'm just trying to accumulate and acquire as many Satoshi as I possibly can through coins that have value and that people are buying them with their Bitcoin. Because that's the thing, guys, is when the Bitcoin value goes up, what that means is that people are buying EOS. New Satoshi, new money is coming into EOS. That's what that really means. Okay, so all of these, Okay, this one actually is valued in dollars. So right now we're seeing that, hey, this downward trend means that dollars are flowing out of Bitcoin. And since the Bitcoin is the gateway into cryptocurrency, when dollars flow out of Bitcoin, dollars flow out of everything. But if we look at any other, okay, this chart, and I'm sorry if I'm being just super simple or layman for anybody that's high level here, but I just want this people to understand this at a lower level. Okay, all of these other coins are valued in Satoshi right here. Okay, so we've seen that the Satoshi price or value has gone down and now it's climbing back up. We hit a low of roughly 51,000 Satoshi back on the 18th. So when was that? Just a week or two ago. Okay, and now boom, we're already climbing up. Okay, we're already, 50%. We've already gained 50% Satoshi value. Okay, and same thing, I'm looking here. It's on a downward trend. So people are selling their EOS. People are selling their EOS, but people are buying their BTC, or excuse me, people are buying EOS and they're selling ADA. They're selling Litecoin. Okay, they're selling XRP. People are selling these, or they're flat. That's what I'm always looking at here, guys. And so right now, focus on how can you get more Satoshi? How can you make your Satoshi value more and more and more? Because I'm here to tell you the dollars are going to flow back in right here. Big investors will make all hell is going to break loose in crypto in 2018. All hell's going to break loose, guys. I don't know what the catalyst is going to be. Could be an ETF. Okay, could be, tax season's right around the corner, so people getting their tax returns. That could be a catalyst. We don't know what the catalyst is going to be. We just have to wait for a catalyst, for something that's going to drive because more dollars have to flow in first. Once dollars flow in, then the value of everything will go up, because the dollars will flow down, or the value will flow down from Bitcoin through all the other altcoins. Okay, so it's all about being patient, guys, because when it does come in, just like we just talked about, $300 billion per month gains in the market cap, November, December, January. It can happen again. It can happen even bigger. So right now, guys, the biggest thing is just be patient. Just be patient. This market is going to test your patience. It's going to test your willpower. It's going to test your emotions. It's going to test everything. But the reward, I don't know of any, over the next 5 years, I do not know of any investment with the upside potential of cryptocurrency. Nothing. I'm telling you, I'll bet anybody $1, anybody, that the stock market is going to, it's going to correct. It's going to crash. Okay, there's nothing. Real estate, I'm betting against everything. I'm very contrarian. I'm betting against the stock market. I'm betting against the real estate market. I'm betting against the dollar. I'm betting against the American government. Okay, I'm betting against it all. And I think that decentralized technologies like cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, it's going to change the world. It's going to make the world such a better place. More freedom, more liberty, more abundance for everybody. So again, guys, I appreciate you guys watching the video. That's it for this video. Okay, be sure to like this video. Be sure to share this video. Let's get this information out with as many people as possible. I'm going to start doing giveaways, giving away cash and prizes to everybody that watches this. So be sure to share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the little bell so that your phone gets an alert every time I make a video. Sorry, I haven't been making more videos lately. I've been traveling a lot. But stay true, stay safe out there. Keep your mind, keep your emotions in check. I'll see you guys on the next video.